Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can use Slack to make quick audio and video calls with your team when you need fast communication without scheduling long meetings. Slack calls are a simple and effective solution for real-time collaboration. In this video, I will walk you step by step through how to start audio and video calls in Slack, invite team members instantly, share your screens and switch from chat to call seamlessly. You will also learn best practices for using Slack calls to resolve issues faster, improve team communication, and stay productive, especially in remote or hybrid work environments. Right now, we are at the website of slack.com. We have also provided our link into the description of the website. You just need to click on that link and you will reach to this website. So first of all, I'll show you how you can create an account. So first of all, let's click on get started. And on the next page you can sign up with the help of your Google account as well as Apple account. So I will prefer to proceed with the Google because it's super easy. So here I'll select my email account. That's obviously our Google account, and after that select continue. So that's how your account will be successfully created at slack.com. And now it will take us to our dashboard. It also looks like a Discord account. I hope you have already used it. So here you can write the name of your workspace. Let's suppose we are going to write a random thing, workspace one. Okay, and then you select next to continue. And here you can also add your profile photo if you want to choose. So for right now I'm going to skip this and select next. Okay, and here you can add email of your coworker. You just need to enter their email and they will be an invitation will be sent. You can also add from your Google contacts, but for now I'm going to skip this step because I'm going to show you how this works, like how calling feature works in the Slack. Okay, so we are going to start with limited free version. So as you can see that the feature and the overall layout exactly looks like the Discord, where you can write and create your streams where people can join you, and you can create multiple channels. But as you can see that there is already a created new channel. You can, if you want to create more channel, you can just simply create by tapping this button, and you can create a channel, and you can also add a section within your current channel. So let's suppose if you have added multiple members in your Slack channels. Okay, you just need to click on this huddle option. Okay, or you can also check for this, then you click on the start huddle and a video and audio call will start in this your channel. You can also copy the link and you can send it to your members and they can directly join your channel and a call will be started, and you can share your screen and you can share your audience with each and everything, like if you are teaching them or showing them how to do anything. So you just need to click on the start button and a call will be automatically be started. Okay, so you can see that notification has been started. Now it is asking me to allow for the mic. So let's allow while visiting the site. You can also give it access to your camera. So that's how basically you can use it for a quick call with your team members. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.